Okay, let's see here. Whoa, I need to take this off me here. Oh, wrong way. Okay, it is now 01:48, Thursday morning, February 17th. And my baby in the other room, okay, the big one, not the small one, says she doesn't snore at night. I beg to differ, and after you hear this, so will you. Okay, well, you couldn't see her that clearly in there, but it's pretty obvious that that was her because I sleep right there. And I'm not in bed yet. And it's obviously not Prince because he's there. And it's obviously not Micah because if he snored like that right now, I'd be taking him to the emergency room. So, when April tells me over and over and over again, and we're joking around with friends and family and stuff like that, saying, "Oh, I don't snore, I don't snore, I don't know what he's talking about, I don't snore." Guess what? Gotcha.